Hungary, a mesmerizing blend of history and modernity, pulses at the heart of Europe. Famous for its stunning Budapest skyline, mouth-watering cuisine, and world-renowned thermal baths, where women and men come together in swimwear to enjoy life to the fullest. It's a land where medieval castles meet vibrant city life. Intriguing, mysterious, and unforgettable, Hungary beckons with stories waiting to be uncovered. Hungary, located in Central Europe, is a landlocked country with a total area of 93,030 kilometers. With a population of around 9.7 million, Hungary's capital and largest city is Budapest, often described as one of the most beautiful cities in the world. Budapest is divided into two distinct parts, Buda and Pest, separated by the Danube River. Buda, on the western bank, is hilly and known for its historic sites like Buda Castle and serene residential areas. Pest, on the flat eastern side, is the city's bustling, modern heart, filled with nightlife, commerce, and cultural landmarks. The two halves were unified in 1873, forming the vibrant, iconic capital we know today. To understand Hungarian people, one must know their history. Hungary's history is a roller coaster of empires, revolutions, and resilience. Founded in 1000 AD by King Stephen I, the Kingdom of Hungary quickly rose to prominence in Europe. But it wasn't all glory. Centuries of invasions followed, from Mongols to Ottoman Turks, leaving their mark on the land. Hungary later became a vital part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire, a time of cultural and industrial flourishing. Yet, the 20th century brought deep turmoil, devastation in both world wars, followed by decades of Soviet occupation, transformed Hungary into a communist state under harsh rule. The 1956 revolution briefly ignited hope but was violently crushed. Finally, in 1989, Hungary broke free, transitioning to democracy and joining the European Union in 2004. This turbulent yet fascinating past, marked by survival and reinvention, makes Hungary a nation that forever captivates with its blend of old wounds and newfound strength. Today, it stands as a testament to resilience, blending its scars with the pride of a deep, complex legacy. Each turn in Hungary's history feels like a revelation, pulling you deeper into its captivating narrative. Hungary's economy is a fascinating blend of transformation and resilience. Once shackled by decades of communist control, it has since emerged as a dynamic force in Central Europe. Today, Hungary thrives with a robust mix of industries. Automotive manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, and IT are at its core. Budapest, the financial heartbeat, attracts global investors while the country's strategic location bridges Western and Eastern Europe. Tourism flourishes too, with visitors flocking to its thermal baths and historic landmarks. But Hungary's economy isn't without challenges. Rising inflation and labor shortages test its growth. Yet, its adaptability, paired with a bold entrepreneurial spirit, keeps Hungary moving forward, balancing tradition with modernity in a whirlwind of innovation and opportunity. One of the famous attractions is Hungarian thermal baths, which is a seductive blend of ancient healing and modern indulgence, drawing visitors into their steamy, mineral-rich waters for centuries. Fed by natural hot springs, these iconic baths aren't just for relaxation but are considered therapeutic due to the medicinal properties of the thermal waters, which contain high levels of minerals. The tradition of public bathing in Hungary dates back to Roman times when large bath complexes were built in the region known as Pannonia. However, it was during the Ottoman occupation, 16th to 17th century, that the Turkish-style bathhouses were established, many of which are still in operation today. Hungary is blessed with an abundance of natural hot springs, more than 1,000 throughout the country, 100 of which are in Budapest alone. This makes the capital one of the few cities in the world with so many thermal baths. The water in these springs is naturally heated by the Earth's geothermal energy, reaching temperatures between 21 degrees Celsius and 78 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 172 degrees Fahrenheit. Bathers enjoy soaking in the warm water, which is believed to relieve joint pain, improve circulation, and treat various skin and respiratory conditions. One of the most famous thermal baths include the Széchenyi Baths in Budapest, the largest medicinal bath in Europe. This iconic bathhouse features both indoor and outdoor pools, steam rooms, saunas, and massage services. The outdoor pools are particularly popular, with visitors enjoying the contrast of the steamy water and cold air, especially during the winter months. Budapest is a city where architectural wonders steal your breath at every corner, a place where history whispers through grand facades and ornate spires. Known for its jaw-dropping skyline, Budapest blends Gothic, Baroque, and Art Nouveau styles into a mesmerizing urban symphony. The Parliament building, with its neo-Gothic towers piercing the sky, commands the Danube's edge like a palace from another world. Across the river, Buda Castle looms, a royal reminder of Hungary's medieval past. The chain bridge, linking Buda and Pest, is an engineering marvel and an iconic symbol of unity. And the city's Art Nouveau gems, like the Gresham Palace, sparkle with intricate details. Budapest's architecture doesn't just tell a story, it dazzles, leaving you spellbound by its sheer beauty and complexity. And if you are fascinated by the architecture of this incredible country, just wait until you experience Hungary's vibrant nightlife, which is an intoxicating blend of history, edge, and electric energy that pulses through its streets after dark. The city transforms as the sun sets. Ancient ruined pubs spring to life in crumbling old buildings, where graffiti-covered walls and mismatched furniture create a gritty, underground vibe unlike anywhere else. Simpla Kert, the legendary ruin bar, feels like stepping into a surreal dreamscape of art, music, and wild energy. Beyond the ruined pubs, sleek rooftop bars offer panoramic views of the glittering Danube and illuminated Parliament, perfect for cocktails under the stars. From late-night jazz clubs to vibrant techno scenes, Budapest's nightlife is a whirlwind of excitement, mystery, and unexpected delights, leaving you breathless and craving more as the city pulses into the night. Among the many highlights of the country are the stunning Hungarian women, who are often celebrated for their beauty, elegance, and unique charm. Hungarian women are often characterized by their natural beauty, which comes from a mixture of various European ethnic groups that have influenced the country throughout history. Their features tend to blend both Eastern European and Western European traits, resulting in a unique look that sets them apart. Many Hungarian women are known for having high cheekbones, delicate facial features, striking eyes, and healthy skin. Hair color ranges from dark shades to lighter blondes, and eye colors vary from brown to blue and green, creating diverse combinations of looks. Tall, with well-proportioned figures, Hungarian women often maintain a healthy, active lifestyle. Due to Hungary's traditional cuisine, which balances rich meats and hearty vegetables, women also tend to have strong, balanced physiques. Hungarian women are shaped by a strong sense of cultural pride. Hungary has a rich history, and Hungarian women inherit a deep sense of tradition and patriotism. They are often family-oriented, valuing strong connections with their relatives and loved ones. Loyalty, kindness, and hospitality are key traits among Hungarian women, which are evident in their warm and approachable personalities. If you are impressed by the beauty of the country and planning to visit, it's important to note that Hungary is comparatively affordable compared to other European nations. Housing is one of the primary factors influencing living expenses. In Hungary, rental costs vary significantly depending on the city. Budapest, the capital, is more expensive compared to other cities and rural areas. In Budapest, renting a one-bedroom apartment in the city center could cost between $400 and $700, while the same type of apartment outside the center would be around $300 to $500. For an 85 square meters apartment, utilities typically cost between $100 and $150 per month. Internet services are reliable and inexpensive, with monthly costs averaging around $15 to $25 for a high-speed connection. Eating out in Hungary is relatively inexpensive, especially when compared to Western Europe. A meal at a mid-range restaurant can cost around $8 to $15, while a three-course meal for two in a nice restaurant might cost $30 to $50. Fast food is also affordable, with a combo meal at a fast food chain costing around $6. Hungarian cuisine offers a wide variety which includes goulash, perhaps the most iconic dish from Hungary. Goulash is a hearty soup or stew made with tender beef, onions, potatoes, carrots, and plenty of paprika. Originally a peasant dish, goulash was prepared by Hungarian shepherds, and over time it became a national symbol. Chicken paprikash, paprikask, chicken paprikash is another beloved dish, characterized by chicken cooked in a creamy sauce rich with paprika. The dish is typically served with nokedli, small egg noodles similar to German spätzle. Fisherman's soup, halasil. Halasil is a traditional fish soup, particularly popular along the banks of the Danube and Tisza rivers. Made with freshwater fish such as carp, catfish, or perch, the soup is flavored with a robust amount of paprika, giving it a vibrant red color. Stuffed cabbage, toltott kaposta. Stuffed cabbage is a dish of cabbage leaves filled with minced meat, rice, and spices, then simmered in a tomato-paprika sauce. Dobos torte, dobostorta. The Dobos torte is one of Hungary's most famous cakes, invented by Hungarian pastry chef Joseph Dobos in the 19th century. It consists of thin layers of sponge cake filled with rich chocolate buttercream and topped with a shiny, crisp caramel glaze. Kurtskilks, also known as chimney cake, is a sweet, spiral-shaped pastry that is baked on a spit over an open flame. The dough is coated with butter, sugar, and cinnamon, giving it a crispy exterior while remaining soft and fluffy inside. Hungarian cuisine is a celebration of bold flavors, traditional methods, and a rich blend of influences, offering something for both hearty food lovers and those with a sweet tooth.